for the cars in Heat 1, starting with 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, water away we go. They're going to make one complete circle out all the way around the outside. Then when they get back to the start-finish line, they'll make one complete circular formation. One complete circle out all the way around the outside, and it looks like 941 is going to grab the lead. 941 in the lead, followed by 85 in the third, followed by 178. It's anybody's ball game. It's not over till it's over. And watch the center point. 920 have a little trouble getting him moving out there. 920 as they continue to play. Looks like 941. Brandon Milligan is your leader at this point in time. 941 in the lead, and he's followed by 85 in the third. 3 laps completed now on 941 and 85 in the third. 941 having a little trouble. He wasn't counting on that happening, that's for sure. As Doug said, he is currently our points leader, and he's won a lot of these races over the years. We're going to continue to play, as now we have number 85 in the third is now the leader. 85 in the third is now the leader. Followed by 179. 179 and followed by 941 still in third, but that changes now as his car at stop 138 is now in third spot. They continue to play in heat number 1. It's still anybody's game. 6 laps completed now on the lead car. That's 85 in the third.
That's Donnie Campbell out there in front, but he's getting chased pretty hard. Watch through the intersection and how hard they're hitting. And Brandon Milligan, having been the points leader, now an obstacle in figure 8 racing.
Having a bit of a problem. 941 certainly wasn't counting on that happening tonight, Doug, as he tries to get himself back in the race. 85 in the third, still the leader with 7 laps completed as they continue to play in heat number 1. 85 in the third, still your leader. That's Donnie Campbell. A young man, but he's been driving a long time. 179 now in second spot. 85 in the third and 179. 9 laps completed now on our second place car, 179. 85 in the third, having a little trouble over there. He's going to lose some valuable seconds. He loses some valuable seconds, and now he moves 179, moves up into the lead with 10 laps completed. 179 with 10 laps completed is now your leader. That's Tyler McRae of Georgetown. Now 11 laps completed on number 179. 179 in the lead. Tyler McRae, second spot at this point in time is 85 in the third. Donnie Campbell, he's working hard to try and catch him. 12 laps now on 179. 12 laps on 179 as they continue to play. 179 now 13 laps completed. He's still your leader. 85 in the third, in second spot. 85 in the third, taking it easy. He's back going again, trying to get out there. 179 now is now 14 laps completed. All 179 has to do is get around one more time.